What's going on, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I haven't been vlogging because I haven't had the camera, and so recently this is what happened last night, and it's always me, right? Yeah, fucked up. Ran into a curb, like going pretty hard because I kind of lost control. My wheels bent. My fender's fucked. This was already the buckled fender, but I still was pretty pissed off yesterday. And just a little bit rash in the rear. Actually, a lot of rash. Oh, the homeboy said it's alright, which is true. I'm still here and I'm good. But yeah, I guess it's time to get new wheels. And yeah, I have something in store for you guys. We are probably getting it tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. And it's me and Dallas are gonna go get it. It's fucking destroyed. If you look closely, it's right through. But honestly, it's pretty gnarly how it's holding air right now. And on my MR2, when I did hit the curb, the wheel actually exploded. And the only thing it had was the spokes on. The fucking actual lip and the barrel were gone. They exploded. But on these work T7Rs, they're fucking beastly because there's still air in it. And yeah, dude, honestly, I can still run it. But of course I'm not. And yeah, I don't know what wheels to get, so I was gonna just ask people, ask around. I was looking at some Cerebuses, but I don't know, everyone has Cerebuses and it's all played out. I just woke up, so my hair's crazy. It is. That's the reason why. So right now, I'm heading to VR Wheels right now, just to get some new wheels because I can't look at my car like this. But yeah. And I don't know what I'm gonna get, but most likely, obviously, 3-piece wheels. And yeah, it sucks because I was saving up for something good, and now I gotta go back, buy some fucking wheels, kind of start all over again, new tires and everything. Fuck. But you guys did fuck up. I was selling these wheels for way too cheap, and look at them now. You guys dumb fucked up. I put them up for $1,200, went down to $1,150. No one still bought it. So, whatever. And I'm heading out with Daily, so hopefully we make it there. I just got to VR and never been here, but check the E46 out. I think it's over here. Or just 6.5. Yeah, but not the 4.5, okay? There are wheels everywhere. Some Vishnus, BBS RS's triple slant lips, Services, E-wings. There's fucking those areas. Jeez, they're so nice. So right now he's going to get his inventory for me to see how much the wheels I want are. But yeah, just check these out. $1,100s. I might get what? Vishnus? I might cop these. Dude, they're huge, bro. Yeah, I'm already leaning towards it. And they have to seal it. So, I was planning to get the Vishnus or the Cerebuses. What?
Yeah, Daniel's with me. Show him the first wheel.
or these. Time has come, guys, and like, check this out. Here we go. Time to get some ice. Fuck the T7Rs. Oh yeah. Bought stickers, that's it. Just kidding. So we're just back home, and I want to thank VR for taking care of me. And funny thing is, I hit the curb yesterday night, and today I got new wheels. I was actually planning to wait on it, but I couldn't see my car looking like this, even though it's just a fucking fender. I don't even know what the fuck this is. Oh, it's just shit. But yeah, I want to thank VR. If you guys ever want some 3-piece wheels, head to their website or their Instagram. All right, let's just finally see the wheels. I got Weds Vishnu's. Yay! So these are 18 by 10 plus 6 and 18 by 11 plus 6. And the offsets are all the same. And I finally got staggered wheels again. And the tires I'm planning to run are probably the same ones I ran on the T7Rs. 225/35, probably Federal, and 225/40. I'm not sure about that 225/40 because I do run it on a 10.5. The T7Rs is a 10.5. The stretch is pretty good, but like, I just don't want my barrel showing too much. But here are the wheels. Brand new lips all around, but the faces are, one of the faces right here, beat. But I plan in the future, I asked him how much he would re-chrome them basically, or like refinish them. He said 500, so pretty good price. I'm actually out of breath because I carried these in, and yeah, I'm pretty fat. Lips in the front and 4.5 in the rear. Let's see, you could tell. But I finally got the wheels I wanted, and finally got the ice. So I told you on the other vlog when I was putting the door handles on, now they're gonna look like they match. Ah! So you could say bye to these piece of shit wheels, and the tires actually held up. Dude, there's still air in this bitch. I might put these tires on the front of those, but honestly, they're new wheels. Might as well get brand new tires too. And Dallas was looking at these tires already. They're showing wire, but besides good. I might put these tires on my stock wheels so I could run them and drift them in the future. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys like these wheels, and hit that like button if you guys like these wheels. Right now I'm gonna probably take off the two rears, and I'm gonna test fit the rears on the rear. And for these two wheels I'm probably gonna put in the front because I think Ivan needs his wheels back. And yeah, and then these two wheels I'm gonna fucking toss them and burn them, you know what I'm saying? Just took off the first wheel. I'm gonna check if everything's okay. That shit scraped the fuck up. Ow, it's on my hand. And I don't know, this tire, 225/40 on the rear. On the 11 though, the 11's pretty gnarly. And these look so fucking hard. Barely fucking fit underneath the fender. I don't know if I could do this. I probably have to get a bigger adapter and raise the car up more. And I had to take off that adapter so it could clear right in between. I think it's like, yeah, it's about a fucking 2 mil clearance. And then the coilover right there, it's like a finger, not even a finger, it's way smaller. I'm gonna be rubbing just like the T7R, and I didn't want that. Yeah, it's like a 2 mil gap. Damn, I don't know. We're gonna have to see. But overall, it looks great. I honestly love them. But need to raise the car, maybe. I'm gonna get the tires, put them on, and that's how we're gonna find out. I'm gonna have to get the tires, put them on, and then after that, run them and see if they rub or not. But if they rub, then fuck, I might have to raise it. But dude, look at that. That shit looks so hard. Fuck yes, finally have some wheels I love. Yes. So I just got Ivan's wheels off, so he's gonna get those back. I put the drift, one of the blown drift wheels I did at the Grange back on to the Babe. The ice is still here. I'm just gonna leave these in the front for now until I get these tires mounted. So fuck you. And oh yeah, and then the rear wheels for the T7Rs, I put them on my daily and they fit perfect. Look stock. Almost looks like this one. But it fits perfect. A lot of gap. But I like it. It actually looks decent. Good. And now it's my next mission to fit these on here. I'm pretty sure the fronts will fit, but I have to test it out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna clean everything up. Off the front where I hit, everything checks out, looks pretty good. I'm gonna see. Nothing cracked or anything. It's good. We might have lucked out, except for this fender. Rip, bro. But it was already buckled. And check out. This tire is so morphed. So worn down. I'm pretty sure I could run it again if I want to be sketch and just flip it. Damn, bro. Took chunks off. That's what's up. Check out this fitment, bro. Fucking on fleek, homie. Hell yeah. So here's with the front ones on, the 18 by 10 plus 6. They fit perfect. It's just, fuck, very sketch. Look at that. But I will never know until the tires are actually on and this fender's somewhat fixed. Who knows? Damn, look at that ice. I do need to clean them up because they're really dirty. And this one has a fucking rash. Rip! Cranes. What's cranes for me? But yeah. And looks great. Very great. Very great. It's good to be back, guys, on the channel. And I have my camera back, so now I'm gonna be vlogging again. And it's gonna be fucking lit. So that'll be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys like the new wheels. If you guys do, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And Dallas does have something new coming in that he just bought and he wants to share with you guys. But that'll be it for now, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hit that subscribe button and I'm out. Later.